Hello, my name is Gina. I am the Patient Intake Manager at Superior Genetix Health and Wellness. In this video, I'm going to explain the process of signing up and getting prescribed. The first step is to complete the clinic intake form. To do this, simply go to superiorgenetix.com and click on Sign Up or Get Started. Once the intake form appears, you can fill it out. You can do this on your mobile phone, tablet, or computer. If you are unable to upload your license, you can email it to superiorgenetix@protonmail.com. Once your intake form is completed, I will send you a confirmation email. Please keep in mind if you fill out your intake form after 5 p.m., I will be in touch with you the following business day. When you receive your confirmation email, you will be provided a clickable link to pay your one-time clinic fee. You do not need a PayPal account. You can just pay as a guest and use any credit card you'd like. Now that your intake fee is paid, you will receive an email from me with your LabCorp blood work order and some general instructions. Upon completion of your blood work, we receive the results from LabCorp within 48 hours. I will email you your lab results and a link to schedule and confirm your pre-appointment consultation. During your pre-appointment consultation, we can discuss your lab results, treatment options, and any other questions you may have. Once this appointment is concluded, I will email you the doctor's availability. Simply confirm this email to schedule your telemed appointment with our prescribing physician. When you complete the telemed appointment with our doctor, you will receive an email from me confirming your treatment and your shipping information. Upon confirmation, an email will be sent to you for treatment payment. Once treatment is paid for, the order is submitted with our pharmacy. Processing and shipping from the pharmacy takes up to 10 business days. The pharmacy ships the treatment directly to your doorstep. A few things to remember about this process. We are a telehealth clinic. Our most efficient method of communication is email. Always remember to check your spam or promotional email folders if you do not see an email from us. All communication, payments, and treatment information is all done by email. Pre-appointment consultations and telemed appointments are all done by virtual communication, either by video or telephone. Email support is unlimited and we work very hard to deliver prompt responses. Anytime you have questions or concerns, email is going to be the best way to contact us. I can be reached directly at superiorgenetix@protonmail.com. Rich can be contacted directly at besttrtclinic@gmail.com.